Today I will be sharing with you the part 2 of tissue art. As you guys liked my first video, so I have decided to make the part 2 of it. This is what I have made at first. Go and check it out. At first I will make an ice cream. I made the tissue paste before. Now I am adding some glue with it. I am going to paint the cone at first. I have already did a rough sketch on the canvas. Now I am painting it. Adding some shades to make it realistic. Cone painting is done. Now glue the tissue paste in scoops. I am making 3 scoops here, like strawberry flavor, vanilla flavor and banana flavor. After glue the tissue paste, I am going to paint it in 3 colors as these are in 3 different flavors. So this is the ice cream I made with tissue. Using baby blue color to paint the background. Lastly, I have added some drippings also. So what do you think about this? Let me know in comment box. Let's move on to our next craft. This tissue art will be in pink color, so I am mixing white and red to make pink color. The background is going to be in all pink. This is so satisfying. After painting the background, I am using a paper heart to make some hearts on the canvas. This is going to be an amazing craft. Just wait and see. Hearts are going to be in red color, so I am mixing red with the tissue paste. Now I am going to fill the heart with tissue. So my art piece is ready here. Which one you like the most? Let me know in comment box, but let's ask my cat first. Ooh, I think he liked this one. I also.